My name is Beverly Cunningham and I've worked here at Mangrove Bay since April of 2003. The renovations have just spruced up Mangrove Bay. It's made us more comparable to just Jupiter being such a seaside town, and it's just brought the outside in.
My name is Joan Austin, and I've lived here at Mangrove Bay for 8.5 years. The decorations are wonderful. All the newness of our building is beautiful.
I think the colors are amazing. I love what they've done to the living room, the navy and the gold. It's just, everything has just come together really beautifully.
We especially enjoy the bar area. It's a great area. We thought it's very friendly and hospitable. Everybody likes to be there.
I love the fact that they've used a natural wood and they've brought in all the natural elements in. I love my fitness room. I'm so glad to be rid of the carpet. It's so much cleaner and so much easier to work in and safer. The safety for the residents is huge.
I don't think you have to sell Mangrove Bay. I think it's very obvious when you walk in. It's a wonderful place. Everybody will say hello to you when you walk in. We'll have dinner with you and we'll make you feel welcomed.
Everything has come together so well that when you walk in, you feel as though it is a model home, and yet it's very warm. So I believe that Mangrove Bay is a really great place for residents to be and just enjoy life.